In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have the Smartsheet add-in available inside Outlook on the web, which helps you connect your work between Outlook and Smartsheet more seamlessly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook site to open Outlook on the web. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Microsoft account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as well. It's best to use a modern browser like Edge or Chrome for the smoothest experience. Once you're in Outlook, head to your Mail view and start a new message by selecting New Mail. This might feel unrelated at first, but the Outlook add-ins menu lives inside the Compose window, so opening a draft is the quickest way to access it. With the new message open, look at the toolbar and choose Insert. From there, select Apps. If you see a button that says Get Add-ins, click it to open the Add-ins for Outlook Store. This is where you can browse and install tools that extend Outlook's capabilities. In the store, find the search box and type Smartsheet. Give it a second to load results, then select the Smartsheet add-in from the list to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the add-in does and which permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add. Outlook will install the add-in and confirm when it's available. You may see the Smartsheet icon appear in your message toolbar after installation. That's the core setup. A quick tip: the first time you open the add-in from a message or calendar item, you may be prompted to sign in to your Smartsheet account to link the two services. Also, if you're using a work account, note that your admin might control which add-ins are allowed. If you don't see Get Add-ins or can't install it, reach out to your IT team for permission. From here, you can use the Smartsheet add-in while composing emails or working with calendar items to keep your tasks and schedules aligned. If you organize meetings or track deadlines in Outlook, having the add-in ready helps you keep related context and updates connected in Smartsheet without switching tabs constantly. And that's it. You've added the Smartsheet add-in through Outlook on the web, setting the foundation for smoother coordination between your Outlook calendar activity and your Smartsheet work.